name is Sajini and I have created a polynomial graph in Python. Let me run this program and show you how this polynomial graph works. See how the graph is being drawn. Interesting, isn't it? How did this happen? What is the goal of polynomial regress? The goal of polynomial regression is to model a nonlinear relationship between the independent and dependent variables. First, I have imported numpy and matplotlib.pyplot. NumPy and matplotlib.pyplot are packages derived from libraries. NumPy is a package for the Python programming language, adding support for large multidimensional arrays and matrices. Matplotlib.pyplot helps us to draw plots. To get a package into the program, we have to use import. I have made two lists, class 1 and average. I want to depict the average marks of each class. The speciality of polynomial regress is that on whichever number you start the second list, you have to end on that number. This polynomial graph is one-dimensional. The linspace or the line space I have given is 1, 22, 100. I have instructed the program to scatter the dots. I've asked it to plot the graph and show the graph. As we see in the figure, the x-axis shows 0, 5, 10, 15 and 20 and the y-axis shows 0, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100, which is the average. The dots on the curvy line are called clusters and the clusters are sitting on a curvy line. Python, the master of graphs. Thank you.